Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add Blockbench plugins. Plugins extend Blockbench with extra tools, exporters, and workflow improvements. First, open Blockbench and go to File, then select Plugins. This opens the plugin browser. From here, you can browse available plugins or search for a specific one by name. Click Install on any plugin you want to add. Once installed, most plugins activate immediately, though some may require a restart. Plugins are designed to speed up modeling, animation, or exporting for specific platforms. If a plugin you installed isn't working correctly, go to the Installed Plugins tab. Disable the plugin, then enable it again. This is one of the quickest ways to fix a plugin that isn't functioning properly. Only install plugins you actively use, since installing too many can clutter the interface. And that's how to add Blockbench plugins. Thank you so much for watching.